My name is Vanessa DeCampos, and this is my self-evaluation of my soft skills. Communication. I would rate myself at a 4, as I believe myself to be exemplary at verbal as well as written communication. I handle over-the-phone conversations with clients and patients alike, as well as email correspondence in a concise and time-sensitive manner. There is room for improvement, which I believe can be learned in active listening, which I will be reading up on in my spare time. Critical thinking. I would rate myself as a 4 as well. I have a penchant for solving problems by looking outside the box, such as the time I found an issue with the patient flow while booking on ChiroTouch and created a new color-coded system for all admin staff to utilize. I then made sure it was implemented properly by training all staff within that week. To improve this skill, I will be taking up journaling to fully understand my own mental process. Leadership. I would rate myself at a 4. I have no qualms taking the initiative on any projects and spearheading a campaign for the betterment of the company. I am usually the go-to person if there are no managers available, as was brought to my attention the other day by a coworker. I am skilled in training new members of the team with little to no supervision. To improve this skill, I would like to research in taking leadership classes provided by my school. Positive attitude would be a 3. I greet almost every day with a smile and do my best to bring a positive attitude to work. I also do my best to motivate those around me to keep the morale in the office up. To improve this skill, I will be undertaking yoga and meditating, as I believe this will help with keeping a positive attitude. Teamwork would also be a 3. I did collaborate with Abby on the wellness benefits package that the owner wanted, and we were able to complete it before the deadline. Working with Abby was a dream due to her spectacular time management skills and my delegating experience. To improve this skill, I would like to work on more collaborative projects in the future. Work ethic. Rating of 4. I always hold myself accountable for any mistakes, such as the time I made a mistake on booking appointments incorrectly. I am open to constructive criticism and always work to improve myself every day. My production levels are high and are shown in the flow chart the managers have created to see how many appointments we book in a week. To improve this skill, I will be working to be more disciplined in my exercise routine, as I believe this discipline can be carried over to my work. Adaptability. Rating of 5, as it has been shown throughout my time at Newton Chiropractic that I am able to switch gears whenever needed. I was hired as an administrator, and now I have grown as a testing specialist, a supervisor, and a care coordinator. Lastly, would be emotional intelligence, rating of 4. I reflect on my behavior as well as empathize with others on a daily basis. I understand when a tough patient is trying to vent their frustration to me and to not take it personally. I believe my previously mentioned journaling and meditation will help with improving this skill as well.